Alright, here we have the box for the absolute powerhouse, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is top-of-the-line configuration. The US version with the massive 1TB of storage in this stunning titanium green color. Now this thing doesn't come cheap. You're looking at around $1,600 for this specific model. So let's see if the unboxing feels as premium as that price tag.
You didn't start yet?
No.
And there it is. First impression, right in the tray. That color is beautiful. Underneath the phone, we have this smaller box. Let's see what Samsung includes. Okay, we've got the standard quick start guide and warranty information. Get the classic SIM ejector tool, of course. And of course, a USB-C to USB-C cable. But as is in the case with most phones now, no power adapter is included in the box. You can immediately see the flat screen, which is a huge change from the curved screens on previous Ultras, and it's surrounded by the titanium frame the phone is named after. Let's take a quick tour. Here is the redesigned S Pen slot at the bottom, alongside the USB-C port and speaker. On the right side, just the power and volume buttons. The left side is clean, and the top has this new antenna line. This titanium green is subtle and classy. The phone is also flat on the sides, making it much easier to grip than before. Alright, let's clear all this packaging away to focus on the phone itself. You can't miss the camera array. It's a full suite of cameras, led by the insane 200 megapixel sensor. You'll notice it comes with a pre-applied screen protector, which is a really nice touch from Samsung. Let's peel this off for the clearer view. And underneath, we have the Gorilla Glass armor. Samsung says this is not only incredibly scratch resistant, but also drastically reduces glare compared to other glasses. Wow! The first thing you notice is the weight. It's substantial, but it feels balanced and incredibly premium. And one of the signature features of the Ultra, the S Pen. It's lightweight, feels good, perfect for notes, precise editing, or just navigating. And slides seamlessly into the bottom of the phone. Click it in, click it out, it's what sets the Ultra apart. And that's our first look at the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. From the titanium build and the flat screen to the massive camera system, it makes a killer first impression. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye!